So let me, as a true Bengali, as a proud Bengali, speak for 10 koti Bengalis today, who you call Bangladeshis, who you call Rohingyas. You harass us on the streets, in colonies, you throw us out when we are pregnant across the border. I'm going to dissect the song stanza by stanza and demonstrate how you are butchering both the spirit and the soul of Bande Mataram. Shujalang Shupalang Balayaja Shetalang Shoshamlang Mataram. Shujalang, beautiful abundant water. Over 70% of India's surface water is undrinkable today. India ranks 120 out of 122 countries in the Water Quality Index. 21 major cities, including Delhi and Bangalore, are expected to deplete their groundwater reserves by 2030. And yet, in the face of this data, the government is cutting the Jal Jeevan Mission money to all the states. Bengal itself is owed 3,000 crores in Jal Jeevan Mission money. This is what you are doing for Shujalam. Malayaja Shitalam, the cool, fresh air. This is a joke. The AQI in the national capital today is between 800 and 1,000 routinely. Our children are choking. The elderly are dying. You know what the centre's done? The centre has exempted 78% of thermal power plants from installing key anti-polluting systems. The Environment Ministry has spent less than 1% of its 858 crore pollution fund in 24-25. Fossil fuel-driven pollution claims 1.72 million lives in India, and premature mortality due to outdoor air pollution costs India $339 billion US. That's 9.5% of our GDP. That's what we are doing for Malayaja Shitalam. Shosha Shamalam, the blessed fertility of the soil. What's the government done? The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare saw a reduction in its budget of 2.5% this year. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, meant for the poorest of farmers, suffered a cut of 3,600 crores. It is estimated that 37% of India's land is affected by degradation. 2/3 of soil samples collected from India are deficient in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, and 85% contain too little carbon for functioning soil systems. Shuhashining, Shumodura Bhashining, sweet smile, sweet in speech. You, the ruling party, with your hate speech, routinely call for violence against Muslims and minorities. You use terms like vote bank, infiltrators, Ghuspetia, those with more children as dog whistles. You impose Hindi on us. You call Bangla a Bangladeshi language. You have unleashed the worst kind of linguistic terrorism on all of us, where people are scared to speak their mother tongue in the streets of Delhi, in the streets of Gurgaon. There is no Shumodhura Bhashaning in today's BJP.